Genius life hacks that work extremely well. Addition of some small steps in your daily routine can make your day even more productive and make you enjoy your life even more. In this video, we're going to discuss some really smart hacks that will help you in your lifestyle. So, let us begin. Coffee hacks. Roast coffee in a popcorn maker. One of the simplest ways to urge you to understand the craft coffee experience better is to undertake roasted coffee reception. There is nothing more exciting than watching green coffee pop and crackle during the roasting process. Popcorn makers are designed and work on similar principles as large batch coffee roasters by rotating the beans and heating them completely through to develop rich flavors. Coffee ice cubes. One of the worst things about making cold coffee with ice is that when the ice melts, your coffee becomes watery and weak. Instead of having coffee lose its flavor, why not keep it strong by adding coffee ice cubes? As the coffee cubes melt, they're gonna make sure that your coffee tastes rich and full flavored the entire way through. Kitchen cleaning hacks. Use baking soda and vinegar to unclog your sink. Anyone who's been to grade school, secondary school, or high school may recognize this old science fair standby. However, this time you won't be using it to make a volcano explode. Rather, you'll be putting their powerful 1-2 punch to unravel a standard household problem, a clogged or sluggish sink. Use lemons to sanitize your disposal. When garbage disposals get stinky, the odor can overpower your whole kitchen. But who doesn't love the colorful scent of fresh lemon? These hacks allow you to smell that invigorating scent all the time. Even better, it couldn't be easier. An added bonus? Your garbage disposal won't smell better, it will work better too. Clean the inside of your oven. It's of course not just the racks that require cleaning, the within of your oven needs cleaning as well. If you spent hours scrubbing the inside of your oven in an effort to urge it clean, this might rather be one among your least favorite household cleaning tasks. The best part? Most of the work takes place overnight while you sleep. Clean, grimy kitchen cabinets with 2 ingredients. If your home is anything like mine, your kitchen cabinets get tons of use, resulting in the buildup of greasy gunk on their surfaces over time. There's a reason why this is often one among my all-time favorite cleaning hacks. Just 2 common cleaning ingredients do the trick. Sanding hacks. Dust off softener sheets. You can see how much clearly when you're sawing and sanding if you initially rub your plastic safety glasses and face shields with a second user fabric softener sheet. The exact physics may be a matter of dialogue, but this makes good wood dust tons less clinging. The key to use a sheet that's been through a drying cycle. It'll be gentler and less laden with softener. Thanks to Travis Larson for this demystifying tip. Drum sander dust collector hack. Capture the dust that flies off a sanding drum before it fills your shop and lungs. All you would like is your shop vacuum. A 3x2-inch PVC reduces coupling and a pot magnet. Bolt the magnet to the coupling and put the coupling over the top of the vacuum hose. A 2 1/4-inch diameter, the shop vacuum hose fits snugly inside the coupling's smaller end without clumps or glue. Then just set the hose on the drill's press metal table and let the shop vacuum eat your dust. You can use this setup on any machine with a metal table. Swiffer sheets for sanding projects. Before applying the finish, rub the project with a grain with a number 0000 steel wool. You'll lift sanding dust from the grain and burnish and shine the surface fibers. Follow up with a Swiffer Sweeper cloth, $4 a box at a grocery store, to wipe off any specks of dust or wire wool. Thanks to Gabriel Shearing for this professional finisher's tip. Gardening hacks. Set up a self-watering bottle planter that saves you time. If you're on a holiday or simply need an opportunity from your gardening chores, fit a series of terracotta stakes with a bottle filled with water. Stick the bottle into the soil, and because the terracotta stakes absorb the water, it'll leak slowly over time. This waters the soil and keeps your plant's roots moist and hydrated. Sprinkle cinnamon on seedlings to prevent rot and disease. Cinnamon not only tastes great, but it also has some important antifungal qualities. It also smells delicious. You can sprinkle cinnamon around your garden and on your seedlings to stop diseases and stop rot on its tracks. Use crushed eggshells to mention goodbye to pests. Soft-bodied pests like slugs and snails like to slither their way into your garden beds and eat all of your plants. Don't allow them to escape with it. Eggshells will do the trick. Coarsely crumble some eggshells and lay them down during a revolve around your plants. Slugs and snails won't risk their journey through the sharp and uncomfortably jagged minefield. Then your plants remain safe. Use your cooking water to fertilize your plants. While you would possibly already save the water left over after you boil or steam vegetables for soups and gravies, you'll also use it to fertilize your garden. Don't ever pour this valuable water down the drain. When the water is cooled down, you'll pour it over your plants so as to fertilize them with the nutrients and minerals leaked out of your cooked veggies and boiled eggs. Vacuum hacks. Perfectly clean roller brush vacuum hacks. If you got long hair, pets with long hair, and youngsters with long hair, they're also into do-it-yourself bracelets, your vacuum is your ally. At least mine is always on standby. But the thing is that hair, string, or debris tend to get stuck on the vacuum's roller brush, affecting the standard of the vacuuming during a very negative way. In this case, you'll have to clean your roller brush, which isn't a tough process after all. That's why I know you'll love this vacuum hack. Try employing a seam ripper to chop away all the string, hair, and dirt that are tangling your vacuum's roller brush. It doesn't take much time to try to do it, and your vacuum will work so much better. A cleaning tip that's totally worth trying out. Vacuum your house to seek out that lost earring. Have you lost another earring? This time it's the one you inherited from your grandma and you're keen on this pair so much? There's no room for panic. Crawling around trying to find your tiny piece of jewelry will take quite a lot of time and you'll pass it multiple times without even noticing. That's why we're here to share with you one among the simplest vacuum hacks ever. Cover the vacuum with nylons, then vacuum the space. You'll find that tiny precious earring during a jiffy, and you'll save yourself some crawling. Already sounds like a plan, right? Technology hacks. Improve your Wi-Fi signal. If you're finding your home Wi-Fi may be a bit flaky, it's because you're getting some interference from your neighbor's Wi-Fi overlapping with yours. The Wi-Fi Analyzer app could also be the solution to your woes. This app scans frequencies and makes recommendations on the optimal channels to use on your network to avoid overlap. The results? Faster Wi-Fi with far less hassle. Do-it-yourself cord protector. Here's a nifty hack for preventing your Apple charging cables and other cords from fraying. Grab the spring out of a ballpoint, then stretch it and wrap it around the part of the cord that tends to bend. And it'll keep it straight forever, thus stopping it from wearing down over years. Shortcut for pausing a YouTube video. We think less tricks are fun too. For instance, once you press K or spacebar while watching a video on YouTube, it'll pause or play the video. How neat is that? And it works no matter where you click last on the page. There are other shortcut keys too. Press J to rewind 10 seconds, press L to fast forward 10 seconds, F puts you into full screen, Home takes you to the start of the video, M mutes the sound, up and down arrows turn the volume up and down. Life gets easy when you apply these fab life hacks in day-to-day life. And here we come to the end of this video. Let us know in the comment box which life hacks you like the most from today's list. And if you liked the video, don't forget to love and share it with your friends. Until then, keep watching and see you on the next video.